Hey folks, in our city, these shared bikes are everywhere. They're super convenient because you just scan a QR code and ride wherever you need to go. But how people leave these bikes says a lot about the system. Often I see these bikes fallen over, left haphazardly on the roadside, or even in the middle of sidewalks or streets, making it inconvenient for the next person. Here's the thing, it's not everyone who does this. Just a short distance from our factory, you can see hundreds of bikes all carefully parked in front of this building, neatly lined up and ready for use at the end of the day. I think this reveals something interesting about our human behavior. When we don't own something, some of us at least, are less likely to care for it properly. At several world class companies, we've seen the power of assigning ownership of tasks and areas to employees, and the results are striking. So, several years ago, we started doing the same at our factory. Each space, machine, or room has a clearly assigned owner, and that person isn't just responsible for keeping it pristine, but also for driving improvements. And here's the thing, ownership isn't just about giving people more responsibility or burden. Instead, it gives them dignity, authority, and pride. When someone owns a space, we've observed that they're often more open to improvement ideas from others, and they actively encourage their team to suggest ways to make things better. The result is a continuous improvement culture fueled by people who are genuinely taking responsibility for their work area. And as a result, the standards keep rising. So, if you want to build a lasting lean culture that taps into the genius of your people, there are two paths to consider. You can either ignore ownership and live with the consequences, where things slide into sloppiness just like these bikes tossed on the ground, where the workplace begins to feel neglected and that lack of care pulls everyone on the team down. Or you can empower people with ownership and reap the benefits. In that case, everyone feels trusted, confident, and proud of their space. They buy in and they take charge. Their areas look premium, their ideas grow more thoughtful, and most importantly, their commitment to building a world class company only deepens. The choice is yours. Thanks so much.